Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best artificial grass available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have ProGoal Artificial Grass. This mega green artificial grass tile has a natural look. And it is made of advanced UV-resistant yarns, polyethylene fabric and durable PP base. It provides better UV protection and fire prevention, being resistant to high temperature and corrosion. Assemble the grass tile to form a belt, and lock in the belts one by one. Please keep the grass tiles in the same direction to get better effect. You can move, disassemble, and reuse it anytime, no adhesive or tools needed. The base of the artificial grass tile is PP with lock-in system, which is very durable with low maintenance and no need to mow. On number 4 we have Reliance or Artificial Grass. All of our grass turf is made of advanced UV-resistant yarns, polyethylene fabric, and durable PP backing with lock-in system. It's high-quality synthetic material against undue fading and fiber degradation. This grass turf is UV protected, keeps grass 15% cooler than regular turf, and is designed to withstand rough play, wear and tear and changing weather conditions. On number 3 we have Artireal Artificial Grass. It comes realistic looking with 3-color green and brown yarns realistically mimic the natural lawns. Offer you a soft and thick feel, makes you feel like you are actually touching the grass. It is made of advanced UV-resistant yarns, polyethylene fabric and durable PP backing with lock-in system. This synthetic grass is RoHS compliant, 100% lead and harmful chemical free. Its updated interlocking system make the pieces be easily snapped together and not easily separate. Soft and realistic grass. On number 2 we have SN28 Artificial Garden Grass. It is made of plastic which is durable and waterproof, deal in square shapes, 6 by 6 inches. The bright color, realistic look and soft touch makes these fake grass look like real grass. Gently touch. This garden grass lawn has a smooth backing for you to cut into different shapes or together into a larger area by nails. It's smooth edge for easy to put together. This artificial garden grass lawn can be cut into any size as desired. Put them side by side with carpet tape to create a larger area. On number 1 we have Weiwei Artificial Grass. This garden grass lawn has a smooth backing for you to cut into different shapes or together into a larger area by nails. It is resistant to high temperature, easy cleaning and maintenance, can be used for many times. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.